Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I have the SOG Terminus XR LTE ready to review, and gosh, I love it. You guys, I have reviewed, a couple of SOGs in the past, and I'm a huge fan of their latest things. I have reviewed the Ultra XR, the Flash AT. This is my third one, and I actually have another one here, the Stout, that I will be reviewing soon, but this one I love. So a lot of people say that this is kind of the competitor of the Benchmade Bug Out due to its size and lightweight feature. And you know, I am not an owner of the Bug Out, so I wouldn't know. However, I have seen it and I can see it. I guess I can see that. I do love the lightweight factor. So let me tell you a couple of things first. So the original Terminus, the XR, it was actually a little heavier. The upgrade on this one is that they have actually replaced the liners for carbon fiber liners. So that makes this knife actually very lightweight, but also a mid-sized knife, which is such a smart move on SOG's part. So this actually weighs 2.3 ounces, which is just slightly heavier than the SOG Ultra XR that I absolutely loved. That's probably one of my most favorite knives so far. This one gets pretty close. It's just, you know, a little bit heavier, but also, you know, it's a little bit bigger. So let's talk specs, and then I'll give you guys a few more pieces of information on this one that's actually pretty cool. Okay, so overall length, we are looking at 7.125 inches, blade length 3 inches. You also have a cutting edge of slightly less than that at 2.75 inches, and then blade width of 1 inch and thickness of 0.11. And then for the handle, we have a 4.125 handle length with a 0.875 width. I have to say, I love the size of this knife. For someone with small hands, I kind of find this knife to be at about the perfect size and weight. So I actually really like that. So SOG, you guys, I have a couple of SOG's old things, and I'm so impressed with what they have been doing lately. It seems to me that this is kind of like common knowledge in the knife industry. Customers know that SOG has been listening to their requests and changes, and they have actually done a lot of things. A lot of people have always complained about their clips, and now they're a lot more subdued. You know, you don't have that crazy logo distinction that you used to have before, but now it's more of a smaller clip with a smaller SOG logo. I love that. I love that design. So let's just talk about the blade first, and then we can keep on going. So SOG has been doing a lot of those cryogenically heated blades and steel. So this one is a CPM S35VN steel. Awesome. I think it's a good choice for the price point. So this knife actually retails for $140. Again, more expensive than the original Terminus, which was at about $89, I believe. It has some nice chimping here on the blade. It is fully ambidextrous design with double thumb stud right there. Honestly though, the flipper is so smooth and amazing that I wouldn't want to use the thumb opener, but it's honestly pretty good either way. Let's see what else. Drop point, really nice. I actually even love the finish on it. I think the color combo of the blade and the handle is pretty nice. This one also comes on that carbon nitride finish. You have seen it in the Ultra XR as well. It's a gold blade. I kind of like those too, but you know, this one is probably more, it's easier, I think. It's an easier sell for those of you that don't like flashy knives. Let's talk about the handle. So the handle, again, is a carbon fiber. It looks like it's a carbon fiber with a G10 combo, but the liners are actually carbon fiber, which makes this knife really cool and lightweight. I do love the design on the scales. It's smooth, but it kind of adds a little bit of a grip right there with those diagonal lines. Smart move. Of course, they have the XR lock, smooth, fidget factor to the max. This thing. You can play with it all day. I love that. I love that. They also added some great hardware, which looks really, really nice. Interestingly enough, the lanyard hole on this, I don't know, you guys. There is none. There is none because I was looking, there was actually a hole there, but no, I don't think that's it. That's actually for the clip. No lanyard hole on this one. Do I care? No, I don't ever really use the lanyard holes. I know that some of you do. And the clip, as I mentioned, it's a deep carry pocket clip, right or left carry. Really nice, super deep carry. I love that design, actually. I think that's kind of neat. Let's see, does this have any hot spots? Because typically I get that when the clip is a little bit, it has that swoop up, but not on this one. This one's actually really, really nice. I dig it. And again, I have been a huge fan of SOG lately, so I don't think I'm gonna say anything bad about this. I'm actually reading to see if there's something else that I missed here, but no. Maybe what you guys are gonna poo-poo on is the fact that this is made in China. But again, this is like a user preference, right? Because you do have an amazing steel. You do have an amazing handle. The materials are great. So it's about preference at this point. Are you going to kind of like, you know, not like the fact that it's made in China? A lot of you don't. And, you know, I get it. I don't care if the knife is high quality. I actually don't care much. But I think it's a good piece of information for you guys to know in case you do care about it. Again, I review knives of everywhere. Italian knives, US knives, Chinese, Taiwan, Japanese. Doesn't really matter. If the quality is good, I think there's market for everything, you know. That does it, you guys. Okay, SOG. I do have an affiliate link for SOG. Of course, it benefits me. So if you like any of the SOG products, I will go ahead and put the link here in the description. As always, you can follow me on Instagram. I also have a Teespring store and a Patreon account, as well as a membership program here on YouTube. If you want to participate more during my live chats, which happen every single Saturday night at 9:30 p.m. Eastern. I do live giveaways and I chat with you guys about anything and everything. You guys ask me questions and we have a good time over some drinks. So if you guys are bored on Saturday nights, feel free to join me. And also look through my playlists, look through my videos. I offer a lot of knife reviews, both folding and fixed blades, as well as creative concealed carry ideas. And I have been starting to add some lifestyle videos. So I hope you find those fun as well. And as always, I will see you guys soon in another knife review. Have a great day and take care.